Welcome to our visual tour of the Hyundai Excel, a car that redefined value. We begin with its front right 3/4 view, where its honest design greets us. The simple grille, classic headlights, and HYN 1994 front plate set the tone. A shot with the wheels subtly turned adds a touch of readiness to its stance. Moving closer, we examine the right headlight's straightforward design, a model of pure function. From a dramatic low angle, the Excel gains unexpected presence against our white studio backdrop. Transitioning to the interior, we first peek through the open passenger window at the functional dashboard layout. Fully opening the passenger door reveals the inviting, cloth-upholstered cabin designed for everyday use. Looking through the windshield from outside, the interior feels remarkably spacious and light. Now from the inside, the passenger's perspective frames the driver's domain, the iconic 3-spoke steering wheel and central gear shifter. From the back seat looking forward, we appreciate the Excel's role as practical family transport. A close-up on the manual gear shifter highlights the direct, engaging connection to the driving experience. Under the hood, the engine bay opens to reveal the uncomplicated 1.5-liter engine, designed for reliability and ease of service. Our focus shifts to the front right wheel, showcasing the durable steel wheel and tire that handled countless miles. The front right corner detail emphasizes the robust integration of bumper, light, and fender. Even the passenger side mirror, viewed from this angle, exemplifies no-nonsense design. In a detailed study, the silver metallic paint on the fender reveals its subtle texture under the studio lights. The HYN 1994 front license plate receives its own focused shot, anchoring the car's identity. The right headlight assembly is appreciated for its clear, functional form. Where the windshield meets the body, the A-pillar and wiper base are noted as crucial points of structure and visibility. A wider contextual shot establishes the car within the minimalist studio environment, leading to our final, polished front angle hero shot that encapsulates the Excel's clean, purposeful aesthetic. We now move to the rear to complete our inspection. From the rear left 3/4 perspective, the car reveals its practical conclusion: the spacious trunk lid and vertical tail lights, with the rear HYN 1994 plate clearly displayed. With the rear wheels angled, the car's balanced and stable proportions are evident from behind. A dedicated close-up allows us to study the simple, effective pattern of the left tail light. From a low rear angle, the bumper and exhaust tip contribute to a look of solid durability. Peering through the rear windshield offers a framed view into the tranquil cabin space. Opening the left rear door fully demonstrates the easy, practical access to the generous backseat area. The view through the rear side window shows how light floods the cabin, enhancing its airy feel. From the physical vantage point of the rear seat, the forward view underscores the social, shared nature of the interior. Looking directly out the expansive rear window confirms excellent visibility, a key safety feature. The rear door panel's design is noted for its minimalist and functional approach. Demonstrating one of its greatest strengths, the trunk is shown fully open, revealing the vast, useful cargo area that defined its practicality. A detailed shot of the left rear wheel arch confirms the consistent, durable specification from front to back. The rear left corner of the bumper and fender is highlighted, showcasing resilient design meant for real-world use. The entire rear graphic, the window, trunk lid with its badge, and tail lights forms a cohesive and simple design statement. The consistency of the silver paint on the rear fender is confirmed, matching the quality seen at the front. An extreme close-up of the rear license plate reiterates this specific vehicle's identity. The humble exhaust tip is noted as the final component in the mechanical chain. The small but essential license plate light is visible in its housing. A wider rear shot re-establishes the car's full context within our studio. Our comprehensive tour concludes with a final, strong rear 3/4 hero shot. From every angle we've explored, the Hyundai Excel tells a consistent story. It was not built for luxury or speed, but for delivering steadfast, economical, and remarkably spacious transportation without pretense. Its legacy is measured in reliability and the trust it built with millions of drivers, solidifying Hyundai's place on the global stage by mastering the fundamentals of accessible mobility.